Hey, what's up guys? I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm gonna be teaching y'all how to dress subtle. If you don't know how to dress subtle, then I don't know what you're doing. You're just walking around. You're most likely a hype beast if you don't know how to dress subtle. So that's what I'm gonna be showing you 3 ways on how to dress subtle in this video. Alright, so first tip, best way to dress subtle is to flex one piece at a time. If you're trying to flex multiple pieces at a time without looking like a hype beast, you can't do it. It's almost impossible. By flexing one piece at a time, I mean just wearing just one small piece, or it just be one big piece and it's covered by something, or it's not covered. So it's like just wearing a bait shirt with just black jeans and Vans. Like, that's one of the easiest way to go. Still flexing on the bait, but the rest of your outfit is just like calm and casual. That's what I mean by like flexing one piece at a time. I'm not trying to say just only flex one piece, like you can only wear one hype piece. I mean, you can wear whatever, how many pieces you want. I'm just saying it'd be better just to have like that one piece. I mean, you can even go to like 2, but 3 might be pushing it. Like, but they all have to be kind of like subtle pieces. They all can't just be big pieces. Now, like some people, they would try and say like dressing subtly would just be like, you know, as long as your piece is covered but you low-key wearing it. That's like not what it means. That's kind of like what a hype beast would do. Like a hype beast would wear like a Supreme shirt, off-white hoodie over top, off-white belt, Gucci socks, Yeezys, and some Balmain jeans. So like, you don't have to wear it all like that. Like, if you're trying to dress subtle, you just break that outfit down. You're not too flashy with it. That's basically what it means. Like, don't make your outfit too flashy, because if it's so flashy, then it's like, you know, you're not that subtle. You just want to be low-key with it. Like, if somebody, like, you want other people to peep your style, like for them to actually see what you wearing without like they notice right when you walk through the door. Like, they actually have to look at your outfit and then like, oh snap, that's the Louis Vuitton Supreme you wear. Like, yeah, that's the Louis Vuitton Supreme I'm wearing. Yeah, you wouldn't know unless you actually look. But if you walk in, like, that was a bad example because Louis Vuitton Supreme, like, that whole print is just loud as shit. So that was kind of a bad example. Yeah. Okay, so on to the next one. Okay, so next tip I got is probably like accessories. Accessories will help, like with chains, watches, rings, earrings, anything, basically fangs, grills, like piercings, even tats. Like, anything can help you dress subtle as far as accessory, like shoulder bag and anything, as long as you're not like overdoing it with like a ring on each finger, 36,000 necklaces, bro. Nah, you gotta have like a type of like a little class with it, you know. One of my favorite outfits I ever wore that was like a little subtle flex, it'd be like a black cardigan, black shirt, biker jeans, and Chelsea boots. Now that whole outfit sounds straight. The Chelsea boots was mostly flexed in that whole outfit, because like basically what was flexed in the whole outfit, you just like name one thing and take it away from the outfit, and is the outfit still the same? If I would have took the Chelsea boots out of that outfit, it probably would have been like, nah, it wouldn't have been that great of an outfit without the Chelsea boots. So the Chelsea boots basically just brought the whole outfit together. But what also made it all together was probably chain, like necklace. I wore this necklace with it, and it really kind of helped it out. So like without it, it kind of looks like plain. It looks really plain without a chain, or if I didn't have earrings or a ring on or anything. That's just basically what it looked like. So accessories such as chains, even like shoulder bags. If you're wearing a shoulder bag, that other one's kind of tricky, because like if you got a shoulder bag and you're not trying to like be too flashy with it, you trying to stay low-key and subtle and all, then it'd be better to like have like an off-brand one, or even it could be a branded one, just can't be like super like really loud with it. Like something like that's not too crazy. Like a Goyard one would probably be a little bit too much if you're trying to be subtle, unless that's the only piece that you're trying to flex, or if it's like the only one that's like pretty quiet. Yeah. So last but not least, you got attitude and mindset. Like, bro, if you don't have the right mindset to dress subtle and low-key, then you're not gonna pull it off right. So like, say you just got your whole outfit together, it's pretty low-key and subtle, but you walk in a room, you can't walk into the room thinking that you like the best dressed in the room. It's just not gonna work. Like, they don't mix. Like, if you're thinking that you're the best one in the room, you gotta have a flashy outfit, like one of the best outfits that you can think of, like a hypebeast outfit. Then you could probably say that like probably the best dress in the room. But if you're trying to stay low key and subtle, you're not gonna you can't have that mindset that you're the best one in the room or that you dress better than like everybody else. You have to have the mindset like, all right, there's gonna be niggas there that's like that dress better than me. Like you're not gonna be the only one there. You have to say there's niggas that's on your level or higher. You think that you're the best one in the room. Like the only way you should like be brought into the actual center of attention is if somebody calls you out on it. Like if you just walk into a room, you sit there for a while, everybody else just looks like it's whatever, you trying to blend in, like being casual and subtle until somebody be like, oh snap, are those bait blasters? And you be like, yeah. They're like, oh shit, oh okay. And then like they just somehow out of the blue just see your socks and they're like, oh snap, you got Gucci socks on too? Oh okay, all right, bet. All right, damn. You out here flexing on some Gucci socks, but nobody would ever see those socks if you don't like, you know, lift up your pants or whatever. So I mean, it's still kind of subtle flex. Like if you still want to wear the pieces that you want without drawing too much attention to yourself, then just keep it low key. Like try not to wear so many pieces. Like that's why I said the first tip was to keep it at one at a time. So if you're not trying to flex a whole bunch and look like you trying too hard, then just don't wear a lot of pieces, just keep it to that one piece. But the attitude and mindset is a big key factor in it, because if you don't think that you not the shit, then you most likely thinking that you are the shit, and it's not gonna work out, because then you're gonna get shitted on by niggas that actually is the shit. Get it? But yeah, that's all I really got for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Subscribe, like, comment down below what you think about these. Kind of running out of video ideas. As you saw in my last one, that video, the off-white challenge video, I mean, it was a very bad bust. Like you can't cop nothing off the off-white website, so like I don't know if that's my fault or their fault, but like okay, that video was just bust. So I'd say yeah, but there is two videos I do want y'all to check out. One of them actually isn't coming out soon, it'll be out like later. It's about my brand, but this one that's already on my channel, it's about the pants. Those are actually for my brand. Actually, almost everything I made on this channel, like the custom videos, the denim jackets and everything, they're all part of my brand. And I just want you guys to go check out the Instagram link down below. That's my brand. Follow it. Tell me what you think. Blah, blah. The first collection's gonna be coming out soon. I'm still doing a lot of work with the processing, manufacturers, my distributor. And I'm trying to pick out like the right fabric for this, because I want my brand to be pretty high quality, looking good. So I want all the fabrics, all the quality. And I'm trying to hook up something for the women's side too, so it's taking a long process, but it's gonna be good when it comes out. So keep an eye out for that, follow it, so you know when I give out all the updates and everything. And yeah, that's basically all I got. So I'll see you guys in the next video.